Alright, welcome guys to my YouTube channel, Cyberbox X. Before I proceed, we humbly beseech you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification link in order for you to be able to get any awesome cool video related to cybersecurity, ethical hacking. So, welcome again. And this video, I'll be showing you guys how to crack WEP key using a tool called crack. So before I proceed, what is WEP? Simply means wire equivalent privacy. So I'm going to talk briefly about WEP. Since wireless network transmit data through radio wave, data can be easily intercepted. Like security measure was introduced in the 1997 wireless equivalent privacy WEP was the first attempt at wireless protection. We have a lot of wireless protection nowadays. The first one was WEP. After WEP, we have WAP, which is WAP, WAP2, WAP3, WAP price, so on. So there are a lot of security measures when it comes to wireless now. I need to tell people in IT clients or that if I see any IT person using WEP web, that person doesn't deserve to use wireless because WEP can be easily cracked, irrespective of how long the password is. WEP is not secure, so it was the first wireless security protocol was first invented in 1997, and then when they realized that it's not that secure, they come up with WAP, WAP2. So today's video, I'll be showing you how to crack WEP. It's now commonly used now at the critical level. And it's so before I start cracking WEP, wireless, I already created a WEP wireless on my router here office. This is my router IP, and this is I have a WAP. That's what we're using, and I just created this one for the purpose of the video. So this video is based on educational purpose, so please do not misuse this video for any illegal acts out there. So as you can see, the encryption is showing WEP, and then the key length is about either you can set it at 128 bit or 64 bit. So I put it at 128 so that it make a password a bit longer. I put it on ASCII so that you can show the ASCII. Okay. Some other cases, if you're trying to break some WEP, it might not be ASCII, it might just be X long, hexadecimal. So this is the information. This is what I'll be cracking. So don't forget that. I'm going to enlarge my screen now. And if I type a command to check the network interface by ifconfig, you can see that I have my network interface, which is ET0 and this one. This is the network I'm browsing now, which is on NAT network. So in order for you to be able to break any wireless connection or when you're doing any network hacking, you need a wireless card. The wireless card that I'm using is a D-Link wireless card. So I'm going to plug in my wireless card in order for me to be able to crack WEP. Now I just plug it in. And once you plug in your wireless card, you click on connect to virtual machine and click on the virtual. Okay, once that's done, if I run the if config command again, you'll be able to see that I have that the wireless interface which is on 0. So I'm going to clear the screen now. Let's begin with the command. So another thing I would like to share is that not all wireless cards can be used to crack or hack wireless or intercept any data or packets around the head. There are certain wireless that are compatible working with Kali and any other operating system that is used for hacking out there. So you need to find out about which wireless card is suitable for hacking. You need a wireless card that can support monitor mode, packet mode, and AP. So, so let's continue. Now that I've plugged in my wireless card, I'm going to type it. First command I'm going to type is ifconfig space. Then I'm going to type my wireless interface name, which is LAN 0 and 0. And I'm going to bring it down. Simply typing down. As I do that, the wireless card is no longer functioning. So what I want to do is I want to set it to monitor mode in order for me to be able to continue what I'm about to do. So type the command iwconfig followed by my wireless interface, which is like 0, and the mode I want to set it on the mode, which is monitor mode. Enter. After that, I'll go back to another command, which is ifconfig. Again, 0 and up. I hit enter. You can see there's no error message, which means the command gets executed successfully. So next command I'm going to use a command among aircraft packet, which is error.ng. So I'm going to type error-ng followed by my wireless interface, which is 1 and 0. If I hit enter, you'll be able to see a lot of network around me. So this is more like sniffing the packet. You can see we're getting information already. The BSS ID, this is a MAC address of all wireless network around me. This is the power range. If you can look, say there I have dash 5961. So the lowest one shows that these are the wireless range that are very closer to me. This is the one I'll be targeting, which is lead dash test, which is if you look at the encryption, it's showing WEP, which is web. Cipher is also showing WEP web. And if you look at the other one network that I'm on, which is WPA2, that's the encryption. And then the way you're going to crack WEP is not the way you're going to crack WPA2. Two different security encryption. The one that we're targeting today is WEP. So now that I've gotten information about wireless, I'm going to crack. I'm going to stop this now, and then I'm going to split my screen. So I'll get into it more because I'm going to run more command. So I've gotten a bit of information. I have the BSS ID, which is the MAC address. I have the channel where it's running on channel 11, and then a couple of data already running packets, which means someone is connected to it, and then someone is running. So in order to continue, I'm going to use error.ng space. I'm going to use dash dash BSSID. I'm going to go copy the MAC address, which is copy, and to paste it here, followed by dash dash channel remember, it's running on channel 11. It's channel 11, followed by another simple command, which I'm write, not write, file, write. Then I'm going to write a WEP base. Then I'm going to enter my wireless interface 0. So this is just a simple command, simply using a inbuilt tools that's already pre-installed inside Kali, which is aero.ng, and I'm putting information that I got from the first command that is. So this is the BSS ID for the WEP wireless BSS ID, then followed by the channel that is running on this channel 11, and I'm writing the file. Now I say, if I type ls, you can see there's nothing inside here. Once I run this command, I have additional file. So I'm going to hit enter now, and if I type ls again, you see I have some additional file already that is generating. Remember, I give a command that it should write a file for me in WEP base, and now I have a bunch of WEP base files. WEP base -01.csv and WEP base -01.tab, and so on and so on. So now that we're capturing data, you can see our command is working successfully. This is the only client connected to this network at the moment. So it could be a phone, it could be a laptop. It's actually my laptop actually. And I'm generating a lot of traffic right now. I'm trying to download it. That is why. If a network is connected to a router and you're not doing any browsing, the data might just remain static at 0, or it might be moving a little bit slower than this. You can see that data is moving super speed, which means it's transmitting a lot of packets in the air. That will give me access to be able to capture password of this Wi-Fi. So now that we have captured a significant amount of packets, so I'm going to use command down here to crack the password. So the command I'm going to use is just aircrack dash is followed by this this so followed by this is where the password is. I'm just simply going to copy this and then close this. So I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to give it just a few seconds or minutes for it to crack the password. So I'm going to hit enter now. As you can see, wow, so super fast. I already got the password. Just few seconds. I think it's up to like how many seconds? Timing. But it's just like I say 0.000 seconds. That was super fast. I guess my computer is running at a very good speed because I set my Kali Linux to be using at least 2 processor and about 4 gig RAM. I believe that's the port. That's super awesome. So now we have the password key. You can either use this to connect to the Wi-Fi, or you can connect to the Wi-Fi. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed the video, please like button, welcome criticism. Well, if there's anything you need me to improve, please type it in the comment section. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.